throw it in your face. I don't leave a trace. When you know I rock the mace.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Super Jaylyn back again with another video, and I'm about to get the dying. If I'm not dying in this video, that means that I'm lying. Go ahead and check out what I'm gonna reverse dye, which is this fresh Nike tee. This is the victim right here. I'm gonna pimp this shirt like pimp my ride. You know what I'm saying? Give it a little upgrade. Nothing too crazy. It may be crazy. You know, we'll see how it turns out. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see. So this is what you need. You're gonna need some baking soda. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna need a dye kit. You're gonna need that bleach. You know what I'm saying? Half water, half bleach. Makes everything better. You need those freaking, you need them bands, you know, bands that make a dance, you know, you need them bands, you know what I'm saying? Can't forget those. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, gloves are important too. You don't want bleach on your hands. You know, it makes things interesting. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Come on, follow me. First things first is we're gonna damp up the shirt. And now I'm gonna go ahead and wring it out. Now what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and find a spot on here, pinch it. I'm gonna go ahead and spin it around, twist it, and then I'm gonna use the 3 rubber bands to band it up. So what had happened was, if you're gonna do this, it makes it a lot more easier, a lot more better if you have a rack. So what I did is I took my dish rack. Yeet, there we go. We can use this. It's functional. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and place this shirt here. I'm going to proceed to lay down the bleach going across here. Let it sit for 5 to 10, or you can even let it sit for 15 minutes. Don't let it exceed 15 minutes, but I may let it sit to 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Oh yeah, before we even do this, safety first. Wear your gloves. So, yep, it has been bleaching now for 10 minutes, and I got this result so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip this bad boy in this baking soda. And I'm gonna let it sit for a good 15 minutes. So what we're gonna do now is go ahead and add the dye to the slices. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for 24 hours and we'll see the final result. I was really disappointed with the outcome because the shirt didn't come out as barnacles as I wanted it. So I did it again with the same process. And then I came out with this result, which I really like. I flexed that shirt on my birthday, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, stunting like my daddy, turned 22, yeah.
I got the cash, I throw it in your face. I don't leave a trace. When you know I rock the mace. I know you lame, no, we not the same.